Today we are diving deep into one of Carnival Cruise Line's most seasoned vessels, the Carnival Spirit. This ship has been sailing the seas since 2001, making it a true veteran of the cruise industry. With over 2 decades of experience under her belt, the Spirit has refined her offerings to provide guests with a solid, dependable vacation experience that does not break the bank. The Carnival Spirit belongs to the Spirit class, which includes sister ships like the Carnival Legend, Pride, and Miracle. At 88,500 gross tons and carrying up to 2,680 passengers when fully loaded, she strikes a nice balance between being large enough to offer plenty of amenities while remaining intimate enough that you won't feel lost in a floating city. The ship operates with approximately 930 crew members, ensuring decent service ratios for guests throughout their journey. What makes the Spirit particularly interesting is her flexibility in deployment. She has sailed from various home ports including Sydney, Australia, and Seattle, Washington, adapting to seasonal demands and market preferences. This adaptability has kept her relevant in an industry where newer, flashier ships often steal the spotlight. When it comes to accommodations aboard the Carnival Spirit, guests have plenty of options to choose from across her 1,000-plus staterooms. The most budget-friendly choice is the interior staterooms, which may lack windows but compensate with clever design and comfortable furnishings. These rooms prove that you do not need a view to have a great cruise experience, especially since most passengers spend their days exploring the ship or ports anyway. Ocean view staterooms bump things up a notch with actual windows or portholes, allowing natural light to flood the space and providing glimpses of the ocean during sea days. The psychological difference of having that connection to the outside world cannot be overstated, particularly for first-time cruisers who might feel claustrophobic in windowless spaces. For those wanting to splurge a bit, balcony staterooms offer private outdoor space where guests can enjoy their morning coffee while watching the sunrise over the ocean. The balconies on the Spirit are not the largest in the industry, but they provide enough room for 2 chairs and a small table, making them perfect for intimate moments or quiet reflection. The suite categories represent the top tier of accommodations, featuring significantly more space, premium amenities, and often priority boarding and dining reservations. While the Spirit suites may not compete with the lavish offerings on newer megaships, they provide comfortable luxury that feels accessible rather than intimidatingly opulent. Dining aboard the Carnival Spirit reflects the cruise line's commitment to variety and value. The main dining room serves as the heart of the culinary experience, offering multi-course meals with rotating menus that cater to diverse tastes. The atmosphere strikes a perfect balance between casual and elegant, allowing guests to dress up for dinner without feeling overdressed or underdressed. The Lido Marketplace serves as the ship's primary buffet venue, providing breakfast, lunch, and dinner options in a more relaxed setting. While buffets sometimes get a bad reputation, the Spirit's version maintains good quality control and offers international cuisine stations that keep things interesting throughout the week. Specialty dining venues provide opportunities for guests to upgrade their culinary experience for an additional fee. These restaurants typically offer more intimate settings, enhanced service, and carefully crafted menus that showcase specific cuisines or cooking techniques. The pricing remains reasonable compared to land-based fine dining establishments. The ship's bars and lounges create social hubs throughout the vessel, from casual poolside service to elegant cocktail lounges with live entertainment. The beverage packages available can provide good value for guests who plan to indulge, though individual pricing remains reasonable for occasional drinkers. Pool facilities on the Carnival Spirit center around the main pool deck, which serves as the ship's daytime social hub. The main pool area provides ample space for swimming and lounging, though it can get crowded during sea days when everyone gravitates toward the same outdoor spaces. The pool depth accommodates both serious swimmers and those who prefer to splash around casually. Adult guests seeking a quieter pool experience can head to the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat, which offers a more peaceful environment away from the family-friendly main pool area. This space includes comfortable loungers, attentive beverage service, and a more sophisticated atmosphere that appeals to couples and solo travelers looking to unwind. The ship features multiple whirlpools strategically placed around the pool decks, providing relaxation opportunities with ocean views. These hot tubs become particularly popular during evening hours when the temperature drops and guests want to extend their outdoor time. Sun deck space aboard the Spirit provides plenty of lounging opportunities, though prime spots near the pools fill up quickly on popular sea days. The ship's age shows in some areas, but regular refurbishments have kept the outdoor spaces looking fresh and inviting for guests seeking that perfect tan. Onboard activities aboard the Carnival Spirit cater to a wide range of interests and energy levels. The fitness center offers modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than their land-based counterparts. While not enormous, the facility provides enough variety to maintain fitness routines throughout the cruise. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy the basketball court, mini-golf course, and jogging track that circles the ship. These facilities might not match what you would find at a resort, but they provide fun alternatives to lounging by the pool all day. The mini-golf course, in particular, becomes a popular family activity during sea days. Entertainment options include production shows in the main theater, featuring talented performers in elaborate costumes and sets. While these shows may not rival Broadway productions, they provide solid entertainment value and showcase impressive choreography and vocal performances that keep audiences engaged throughout. The casino offers gaming opportunities for those feeling lucky, with slot machines and table games operated by professional dealers. Even non-gamblers often enjoy the lively atmosphere and complimentary drinks that flow freely for active players. The casino frequently hosts tournaments and special events that add excitement to evening entertainment options. Spa and wellness facilities aboard the Carnival Spirit provide opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation throughout the cruise experience. The spa menu includes various massage treatments, facials, and body treatments designed to help guests unwind from the stresses of daily life. While pricing can be steep, many passengers find the experience worth the splurge, especially during sea days. The spa facilities include steam rooms and saunas that provide therapeutic benefits and relaxation opportunities. These facilities often become popular gathering spots for guests looking to socialize while enjoying wellness amenities. The atmosphere remains professional and serene, creating a nice contrast to the more energetic public areas of the ship. Fitness classes ranging from yoga to high-intensity workouts cater to different fitness levels and preferences. These classes often take place on outdoor decks when weather permits, allowing participants to exercise while enjoying ocean breezes and scenic views. The instructors typically bring enthusiasm and expertise that motivate even reluctant exercisers. Wellness programs might include lectures on healthy living, cooking demonstrations featuring nutritious recipes, and activities designed to promote mental and physical well-being. These offerings appeal particularly to health-conscious travelers looking to maintain or improve their wellness routines while on vacation. The Carnival Spirit welcomes families with children and provides dedicated facilities and programs designed specifically for younger guests. The Kids Club areas feature age-appropriate activities, games, and entertainment that keep children engaged while giving parents some adult time. The staff members working in these areas typically bring energy and creativity that kids absolutely love. Teen programs recognize that adolescents have different needs and interests than younger children. The Teen Club areas provide spaces where teenagers can socialize, play games, and participate in activities designed specifically for their age group. These programs often become highlights of the cruise experience for families with teenage children. Family-friendly amenities throughout the ship ensure that parents traveling with children feel welcomed and accommodated. From high chairs in dining venues to family-sized staterooms, the Spirit demonstrates understanding of what families need to have successful vacation experiences together. Supervised activities allow parents to enjoy adult time while knowing their children are safe and entertained. These programs often include educational components that combine learning with fun, creating experiences that children remember long after the cruise ends. The Carnival Spirit's itineraries have included diverse destinations that showcase the ship's versatility and appeal. Australian deployments have featured South Pacific island destinations that offer pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and unique cultural experiences that create lasting memories for passengers. Alaskan cruises from Seattle provide completely different experiences, showcasing dramatic scenery, wildlife viewing opportunities, and cultural attractions that highlight the region's natural beauty and indigenous heritage. The contrast between tropical and wilderness itineraries demonstrates the Spirit's ability to adapt to different markets and passenger preferences. Shore excursions offered through the cruise line provide professionally guided experiences that help passengers make the most of their port visits. While independent exploration remains an option, organized excursions often provide better value and peace of mind, particularly in unfamiliar destinations where language barriers or safety concerns might exist. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.